Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Anthony down there in the Bayou, Louisiana. Anthony, it's ready to go for you, bud. We got your volume fixed, plenty loud now. Got your tuning alignment to Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Let's put it on low power, 25 watt slug. I guess set it 2 watts, Anthony, in case you decide to run an amp. 5 watts on the high side. Show you average power swing. Hello, 15 bird, 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 audio. About 42 PEP. All right, all done and good to go. Oh, I about forgot. Let me let you hear the talk back courtesy of the driver extreme.
1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Got down.
There you are, Anthony. Ready to head back to you, bud, from your friend Truck. truckcvsales.com. Bye-bye.
Get wise and get truckerized today.